We get a lot of calls in our vehicle title division about filling out forms and doing paperwork, and we have a service for doing paperwork. And a lot of people think that the hardest part is filling out the paperwork. That's not always the hardest part. The hardest part is actually sometimes locating the right paperwork and determining which paperwork to use. Sometimes it's filing and figuring out how to fill it in properly, but it's more than just a fill in the blanks type scenario. A lot of our clients that buy title services from us, they appreciate more the fact that we found the paperwork, located it, figured out the process to use, and then filled it in, more than just filling it in. Look, if it was just a matter of filling in the paperwork, no one would really need to pay any money because you can do that yourself. But first you have to get the paper. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. Paperwork, then you have to print it out, then you have to figure out what order to do the steps in. So when it comes to doing any kind of government process, locating the right process, locating the right forms, figuring out how to proceed with it is as important as just filling in the blanks. If it was just filling in the blanks color by numbers, then anybody could do it. But a lot of times people don't know what the process is, don't know how to proceed with it, and don't know where to get the form. So you can use our website, cartitles.com, as a good consumer resource. You can also, and that's free if you want to do it yourself, you can also avail yourself of our services if you'd like us to assist more than just giving you some good advice. We also have title consultation. If you want to book a live one-on-one video conference with a certified title agent, you can do that through the website as well. If you like this video, be sure to click on a few others on our channel to see if there's other information that might be helpful to you about this same subject, or maybe even other related subjects that could assist you with your resolution of your issue.